Yo, what's going on? The boy is back with another one. It's light day install.
Hi guys.
Jordan tubes. I don't know why I keep doing that. But this one's coming from Einstein Lighting. If y'all are looking for some lights or lights in general, make sure you check them out. The link will be in the description below. You can use my code WOJ, what is it? WOJ10. Yeah, WOJ10, and it'll give you 20% off. So, but yeah, this is the light right here. I have the new one. It's nuclear. This side came. Yeah, there's nuclear lights right here. So install it and let y'all check it out. It's the before, and apparently my fog lights are on, but they don't work. So can't show you all the difference with the fog lights, but these how the low beams look. I'm changing the low beam lights and the fog lights. All right, so I'm gonna replace the fog light first. And okay, you gotta replace, or you can get to it. It's two ways you can get to it. The easiest way that I saw is this is where the fog light is in here. You can take these 3 screws and reach in and take it out. And then for the low beam and the side marker and the high beam, you can take these 4 screws out and this panel comes out. And you can reach in there and get it. But to make it easier, you might want to cut your wheel inside so you can get to it better. All right, so it gives you this sturdy box right here. Lights, gives you this booklet on the lights, and the specifications. I think also the instructions on how to put it in as well. But these are what you're working with right here. I think these are the resistors, so it prevents it from blinking too fast. And this is the light itself. If it focuses, yeah, it's in like pretty good quality. So my camera, yeah. Okay, so when you're connecting this, you want to line this notch up, and then on the inside, see that little black notch right there? It's gonna go in like so. Plugs in, and I guess you twist this together so it doesn't come loose. It's a pretty good design. So now it's locked in place. Now you want to take out these screws. Never mind. But yeah, once you get this panel, then there's actually one other screw back there, but I'm gonna just put that down. And then right here, I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there is the fog light. So, and it has this that red tab. It focuses. You just pull it down. And then you can take it out. Oh, you got a little bench, but yeah. And this comes down. Oh, I gotta put this camera down. But yeah, once you pull that out, once you press that pull this red tab down, you have to squeeze these 2. It's like a little push tab. You just squeeze down here below it, and then you can pull the light out. And that's it. All right, and I would advise anybody to test it out before you put it in, because if they don't come in, then you have to flip it. Basically pull it out and just turn it on the other side and put it back in. Then you should be good. All right, now once you get the light in, I would zip tie that resistor to that metal bracket right there, so it, you know, because I think it gets pretty hot. But yeah, I would zip tie that like that, and you good to go. And then repeat on the other side. So yeah, that's the one end right there. So you can kind of see the difference right there. All right. Now you remove these. There's 4 screws right here. And you can go right here in this in between the floor, supposedly, and just pull this out. And once you peel that back, that's the dust cover right there. That's where the low beam is. And you turn that counterclockwise and it'll come out. Well, yeah, once you get that dust cover off, that is the actual bulb. And then you can turn it counterclockwise, and then once you get it out, ooh, boy, this thing hot. Once you get it out, you have to press that. It's a little push tab, just like the fog lights, and they'll release. All right, and I always test to make sure you got it on. I got the same bulb, just so you know. It's if you have a 2020 Dodge Ram Bighorn, it's a H11 for the fog and low beams. Oh yeah. So basically, you just want to put it back in there, squeeze, and turn it counterclockwise. Yeah, so that's the low beam. So I look at in the daytime, both of them, and that's the old school halogen. And then once you connect that light, just screw that bulb in, and you're gonna have to put the resistor to one side and then the other part to the left of that for it to fit. Then you can put the dust cap back on. Got D&J Garage going on. Boy just about to install his Einstein Lighting on the FRS. But yeah, man, turned out good. Some tips though, for the low beams. You can get that dust cap all the way on. You just gotta push it. You gotta kind of like push it hard, and then it'll go over the little hump. And then once it's flush, you can just lock it. And I would advise anybody, if you're doing it, wear some gloves. But yeah, man, that's what we're working with. All finna get his done. Got that box engine in now. All right, yep, just got one more upgrade. Just gotta throw in the reverse lights. I'm gonna give y'all a quick shot of that. Right here. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude the end of this video. The LED upgrade. Oh, I need to actually show y'all the interior too. D&J Garage. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this interior lights. I did that yesterday. Actually, my camera died. Show y'all how that's look. So, everything is officially LED. Man, literally lighting up everything. I didn't change that. Yep. But yeah, if y'all looking for headlights, you got LED and I think HID, check out Einstein Light. They are crazy bright. They use my code WOJ10 to get a 20% discount off of anything on their website. If you'd like to see more videos like that, I greatly appreciate it. If you know, support and help my channel grow big. But yeah, man, I'll show y'all the lights too. It's completely dark now, but that's not even the fog lights. Oh, that is fog lights. Up. If you've liked this video, please comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you haven't already, so you get notified every time I upload a video. Oh, and also, if you want to get a little behind the scenes and sneak preview, I'm trying to build my Instagram channel. The link, all that is in the description, as well as World of Jones 2. That way you can see all the behind the scenes. If you want to ask like just, you know, I'll post the behind the scenes on there first before I even post a video. So you can check that out as well. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers. And yeah, hope y'all have a great day. Peace.
Tattoo my name on placentas.